Bumpers have come a long way from when they were first designed. Originally metal bars designed to be utilitarian, then evolving to be more stylish, eventually much larger and chrome. Automotive design took a major turn and bumpers turned into bumper covers. Large molded and painted plastic covers hide the small metal plate behind that is now designed to crunch and absorb impact. Let's face it, our Toyota Tacomas are trucks, and trucks need more. Thankfully, there is a massive aftermarket for our tacos. There are countless style options, but also plenty of utilitarian and off-road bumpers in mind for both the front and rear of our Tacomas. Let's learn about the different types of bumpers and then give you some examples. A stock bumper these days is actually considered a bumper cover. These are the plastic pieces that offer no real protection. They are designed to crumple and be thrown away in the event of an accident. While plastic is lighter and cheaper to replace compared to metal, Toyota does recognize that a Tacoma is still a truck, so the rear bumpers are far more robust. These are once again just bumper covers, but they offer no protection or utilitarian gains at all. They just look different. Some people don't treat trucks like trucks. They may lower them or just make them flashy. One of the biggest reasons for these would be color matching and chrome delete on rear bumpers. Let's face it, some people just don't like chrome, so you can color match with bumper shells by Ecological. From $100 to $200, you can ditch the chrome by adding these colored covers right over the factory chrome. If you're feeling extra, you can get them in different colors, including multiple types of black, or you can get them paintable so you can do it yourself. Low-profile bumpers generally attach to your frame and wrap over the front of your bumper cover, or replace the bottom half of your bumper cover if applicable. They are usually a few steel tubes or sheet metal welded together and are designed to be light and visually subdued, but still offer extra protection and mounting options over stock bumper covers. Some models can come with or offer mounting options for light bars, winches, and tow hooks. Typically, these are around $550 to $2,000 depending on the make, model, and options. When you want to treat your truck like a truck, the stock bumper covers will not last. Off-road bumpers come in so many different types and options and generally replace the lower half of your bumper cover and can offer some type of protection to the upper half. The lower and upper protection can vary greatly. While some just give you the addition of a metal bumper in front of the plastic cover, some offer skid plates that help protect the expensive stuff under the truck. Some also offer protection above in forms of metal grills or bars around your headlights, metal grills or bars in front of the stock grill, or both. They allow or come with plenty of desired off-road goodies such as winches, fog lights, light bars, tow hooks, and more. Rear bumpers are a bit more simplistic but work the same way. Plastic out, metal in. Generally, these replace the whole rear bumper and bumper cover. Like the front, they bolt to the frame to offer actual protection. They are usually visually more basic compared to stock bumper covers, one color, all metal, less parts, and less flash/chrome. They are robust and designed to take a beating. There may also be optional LED lighting and tow hook attachments built into the bumpers as well. While push bars, also known as bull bars, are not exactly considered bumpers, they mimic the same function of a lot of the other bumper types listed in this video. These do come in all shapes and sizes depending on your needs, but they all offer more front protection over stock bumper covers. They can be used for pushing, as the name suggests, or they're great to have as another line of protection before something hits your plastic bumper cover. There are dozens and dozens of bumper options for the Toyota Tacomas. Those are the main categories, but there are a bunch that blur the lines and become a bit of both. Knowing the term hybrid will give you a better understanding of what to search for when you're looking for the type of bumper that you want. Now that you know what type of bumpers you may encounter, let's take a look at what some Toyota Tacoma drivers really like. This list is based off forum results, reviews, and being in the industry. Links to all of these products can be found in our article on Empire Off-Road, link in the description. A moderately priced low-profile front bumper is the front low winch bumper by C4 Fabrications. This bumper has a base price of $670, but with options you can get the cost up to over $1,800. But its rugged construction and plenty of options make it a popular choice. A popular option for full-sized off-road bumpers would be the ARB Summit bumper. Depending on these options, these go for around $1,500. They give the bottom of your truck full protection and have lots of areas to attach fog lights, LED light bars, antennas, and more. They do have the option to arrive powder-coated. If you need lights, winches, and good looks, all with a fully bolt-on made-in-America flair, ADD Off-Road has you covered. The ADD Off-Road Stealth Fighter front bumper has everything you need, and you could leave off everything you don't need. There are two winch options options, 7 center light options, and 5 side light options. Of course, if you already have the LED lighting you want, you can put that in as well. The center universal mount is for a 30-inch light bar or 6 cube lights. The bumper starts at $2,000, but your options will change that. After you dress up the front of your Tacoma with ADD Off-Road, don't forget about the rear. They can take care of that too with the ADD Off-Road Stealth Fighter rear bumper. Starting at just over $1,600, you will have the option for 4 different LED lights that will flank your license plate. Aside from also being fully bolt-on and made in America like the front bumper, there are also integrated reinforced mounts that accept 3/4-inch D-rings, which will cover your extra utilitarian needs. Push bars and bull bars are pretty inexpensive, and a good option is the Rough Country Bull Bar. At $280, they are far cheaper compared to a complete bumper, and they offer great basic protection for getting people out of the way on the highway. This brand comes painted and with an LED light bar already installed. While more powerful light bar options are suggested for serious use, it's hard to beat for the price. A good basic hybrid would be the Barricade Off-Road Brush Guard. The bottom of it is a bull bar, but the top is a full-sized off-road bumper. Due to the nature of the mounting, it will not offer the same serious protection as full-size off-road bumpers, but it will get the job done if you're driving through some overgrown paths, or if you just want something that has the look but doesn't have the high price. You can get these for around $540, powder coated and ready to go. A bumper, like anything on your truck, depends on the look you want, your intended use, and how much you want to spend. Our Toyota Tacomas are very popular trucks, and that leads to many options. Find what works best for you and get it on your truck. For more videos like this on Tacomas, Tundras, and 4Runners, make sure you subscribe to this channel and ring that bell. Swing by EmpireOffroad.com to get the parts you need for your Tacoma today. Thanks for watching.